Good afternoon, Facebook. This is Indy, your main man here at Amato Chrysler. Yes, I've had my cup of coffee today. Actually, I had 2 cups of coffee. That's why I'm a little bit wired today. And tis the season. I hope all of your shopping is going well. I just wanted to talk a little bit today about our service department. We have a wonderful service department. We have, if you want to pan around here, if you want to look around here, we have a full service department, a full staff. We have 11 mechanics. We have 8 master mechanics. And then to be a master mechanic, you have to do extra schooling. We have the best mechanics here at Amato Chrysler. It takes years to go to school. As you can see right over here, of course, we work on police cars too. We have Jeeps over here. We specialize in Jeeps and things like that. Chrysler's, Dodge, Ram. We're the home of the Ram, by the way. If you need a plow truck, you need any kind of a truck for landscaping, anything heavy duty, we are the heavy duty center here at Amato. I just wanted to come over here to our master mechanic. This is Justin right here. If you want to say hi, Justin. Justin, how many years have you had in being a mechanic?
About 6.
About 6 years. This guy does everything. This guy goes over and above the call of duty. He's even here on the weekends. I mean, I can't believe it. I walk past, I'm running back and forth, handling my customers and taking care of them, providing them good service. But this guy's here on the weekend. I mean, going the extra mile to ensure that the customers are happy. Justin, what are you doing to this vehicle, this engine right now?
Right now, I'm just swapping parts for the new engine.
There's a new engine, so this is, so here it is. Out with the old and with the new. So, just can you tell me how long does it take to become a master mechanic? Like, why are you a master mechanic and just not a regular mechanic?
What do you say? You just say, I don't know, it makes you feel better, I guess. It makes your outfit, or you're better qualified to do the job, I guess.
You're better qualified. So actually, he's being modest right now. Basically, you have to go through extra schooling. You have to go through ongoing schooling, and he's kind of like a doctor of fixing cars. Is what he is, and fixing trucks. He's a heavy duty mechanic. I mean, this guy is the man. And if you want to just look over here, some of these toolboxes over here, it's absolutely amazing. I mean, this is not your little Walmart special here. Toolboxes, I mean, he's got thousands and thousands of dollars worth of tools. If you want to look over there, I mean, he's got tools for every occasion. And I'm very, very proud. If you need your vehicle fixed, I mean, we're here every day. We even have Saturday hours. We have full hours. We care about you, the customer. And thanks for watching Facebook. Like my videos. We're having a contest. Please like and share my posts. To all my church family, my regular family, like and share. This will help me out a lot. Love you. Until next time.